other setting in the 3D mirror. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to copy this object all the way to here, and I'm going to change this one to hidden so we can see what's happening. So right now currently my UCS is defined on this surface, so this surface is basically my X and Y. So if I go and run the mirror commands, mirror 3D, and selecting this object, I can use this current UCS in order to defining the surface that I want to basically using the mirror. So I'm going to select the X and Y, and the first thing it asks me is that specifying the point on the as it defined as is 0, 0, 0. I'm going to use this point as my 0, 0 and pressing yes, and as you can see that is basically mirroring this surface in relation to that basically defined UCS. What if I have my UCS on other place? So let's say right now I move it like using the ortho. Basically if I move it a little bit to this side, and this time again using the mirror, 3D mirror, and this object, and I'm gonna go again with the, this time let's go with the X and Y again, or maybe this one, right? And then specify the base point up here. And as you can see that basically from that specified point it's create that mirror. Doesn't matter where my object located, it's in relation to that basically that surface and then that point that we define on that surface. The other thing that I can do is that I can mirror this object basically on like a not like a vertical surface. So if I run the mirror and going with the 3D points, I can mirror it in relation to this specific surface, that imaginary surface that doesn't exist, but I want it to be mirrored from this surface. So for example, this point all the way to here, and let's say to this point. And basically that surface that is not like a perpendicular to my direction of UCS, that's basically defining as an imaginary surface for me, and that create and that basically used in my 3D mirror.